Welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. My take on the McDonald's McRib, but man-sized. So we're going to make my version of the McRib. We're going to use a rack of St. Louis ribs, take the membrane off, make sure they're squared up. Then we're going to slice next to each bone. That way they're easy to pull out. Use a mustard binder or KCC low and slow rub. Put that over the top of it. Put it out on our Green Mountain pellet smoker for 2 hours until it gets about the color we want. You know, give and take some time until it looks right. Then we're going to wrap it with brown sugar, butter, barbecue sauce. Wrap it up, throw it back out there for probably another 2 hours. We want these really overcooked, that way the bones fall right out, super tender. We're going to use a French bread, butter, garlic, toast that. So these ribs are already trimmed up pretty good. We're going to take a knife and score next to the bone on each one. I'll put mustard on here as a binder. Then we're going to use our KCC low and slow rub. Mustard on this side. Give that a good press in. Then just mop the table with the sides. Now we'll go throw these out on the Green Mountain smoker. Of course, it's raining again. We'll throw these right here. Just make sure you put them on nice and straight. So after 2 hours, we got some nice pullback, got some good color. The rub's nice and set. So now we can wrap it. So we'll put down a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 stick of butter cut in half, long ways. Some more of our low and slow barbecue rub. We'll place these meat side down. Take off any of the stalactites. Vinegar barbecue sauce. Now we'll wrap this. We'll put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here to help steam it. Now we'll place this back on there, meat side down. Use this French roll. Brush on some melted butter. Then we'll hit it with some granulated garlic. We'll place that under the broiler to toast. Pull the ribs off the smoker. Ooh, these are hot. Transfer this to a foil lined wire rack. That way it's easier to move in and out of the smoker. We'll dust it up a little bit with our low and slow rub. And we'll put this out on the smoker. All right, this is done. We're going to put it upside down on this cutting board. Pull the bones right out. Judging by the length of my bread, what I think I'm going to do is cut this in half so it'll go full length of the bun. So we'll cut this in half. Put a little barbecue sauce on there. Half of this. Get this cutting board out of here. We'll hit it with some more barbecue sauce. Onion. Then of course, pickle. I'm going to use sandwich slices so they go all the way across. Every bite will have a pickle. We got our top roll. Hit that with a little bit of sauce. And crown our sandwich. Now we get to try it. I mean, look at this thing. All right, let me put it on a cutting board. There's no way I'm going to be able to eat that whole thing like that. No. Let me see. cut it like that. Cut it into fours. Look at that. That looks awesome. Get the onion, the pickle, the barbecue sauce, the rib, of course. All right, let's take a bite. Yes, please. Oh my God. Where's my water? Way better than McDonald's. Juicy as hell too. Well, that's our video. If you like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We've got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, of course YouTube. Go to crackscountrycooking.com. You can get our rubs and seasonings that we used in this video. There's recipes on there, all sorts of stuff. All right, see ya. Dinner time. I can't believe how good this is.